Ever wonder how efficiently a company uses its stuff to generate sales? Let's break down the asset turnover ratio in plain English. At its heart, this metric measures efficiency. It tells investors how much revenue a company creates for every dollar of assets it owns. The calculation is straightforward. You take total net sales and divide that by the company's average total assets for the period. A higher number is generally better, as it shows the company is squeezing more sales out of its equipment, inventory, and property. Don't confuse this with profit margins. Margin looks at how much you keep. Turnover looks at how fast you move. Context is key. Retailers turn inventory over rapidly, while utility companies have heavy infrastructure, leading to much lower turnover ratios. Always compare a company to its direct competitors. Comparing across industries will lead to misleading conclusions about performance. Use this ratio to spot trends in how companies manage their resources. Hit subscribe for more finance basics. Educational content, not financial advice.